You know, I've been playing the ukulele for about 6 months now, and I've come to the conclusion that there's really only four chords. This one, this one, this one, and this one. But you can play like 100 songs with just those four chords. Check it out. My life is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, for that I'm sure. Forever young, I want to be forever young. I don't hesitate no more, this cannot wait. I'm yours, happy ending, ba-ba-ba-na-na-na, your own pretending. And you were amazing, and we did amazing things. If I could, then I would. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-na. And can you feel the love tonight? And she will be loved, and she will be loved. The pictures of you, the pictures of me, hung upon your wall for the world to see. And I can't believe, with or without you, and you fall at your feet, and you say, if I'm not pretty enough, but then your heart is wrong. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. That's what it feels like, I don't have a partner. When you're riding with the horses, baby, no woman to cry on. That surely is a dream. Come from the land down under. Take on me, take me on. I'll be on. Oh, take. I'm more than a bird, more than a plane, more than a sip at the bum bum. My mom, it's not easy to be. Come on, Sassy. Me, it's not easy, Sassy, to be me. Thank you. What? That's what I thought.